Video number 7. Building relationships with your list. What email lists want? You should value your email lists as an asset you cannot forego in your marketing plans. Would you believe me if I told you that email lists can make your business grow over 100% in profits? You probably wouldn't. The secret is in what you include in your email lists. The content of your email lists is the game changer you need to overpower other business managers who are still reliant on old marketing techniques. Perform a content upgrade in your emails and assess the impact on your subscribers. Content upgrade involves providing bonuses that are relevant to the message you are passing on to your subscribers on the email list. Will your business fail if you extended your generosity and provided them with freebies in special circumstances? Think about that. Subscribers on your email list want free gifts, survey polls and bonuses, coupons, discounts, explanatory videos, free ebooks, and special offers. Building a relationship with your lists. Email marketing is undisputedly the best way to develop and enhance a good relationship with your customers. But there are some issues you have to consider to tap into the power of email lists. First, you need to be disciplined and consistent. Interact with your customers in the same way you would with close friends and family members. Send them emails on a regular basis, even if you have no product to sell them. Avoid emailing your subscribers only when you want them to buy your new product. Preferably, contact each member on your mailing list at least once every week, depending on the type of business you run. Secondly, learn how to create headlines for your emails. Most subscribers will not open your emails unless they are irresistible. Thirdly, keep in mind that your subscribers trust you as an industry expert in your business. Thus, share with them resources that are relevant in their emails. Some resources you might consider sharing may include press releases on products and services, relevant blog posts, new deals and irresistible product discounts, business photos, and YouTube videos. Pack your email with exciting content, and your subscribers will be tempted to open, click on, and even buy your products every time you have a suitable offer. Fourth, sell less and enrich more. No one wants to buy products and services every time you send an email. If every email received by your subscriber promotes sales, then they are likely to get tired and even unsubscribe from your list. A rule of thumb requires that 80% of your emails provide useful content to the audience. The other 20% should balance between discounts and offers to the customer. Following such a rule will help you cultivate a good relationship that is based on mutual interests. Lastly, you can consider including affiliate offers to your customers too. These will tempt your subscribers to share your business with friends. Nonetheless, it will increase your chances of making a profit. Where to find high-quality niche-related incentives. It will be hard for you to convince your subscribers to purchase your products and services without winning their trust. The only way you can make them confident about your products is by providing them with incentives. One of the best places to visit for niche-related incentives is www.idplr.com. Through this website, you have instant access to over 8,000 PLR products. It is possible for you to resell these products and keep all the profits for your business. IDPLR.com is one of the largest platforms that has maintained a front-row performance since 2008. It is best that you consider enrolling for a PLR membership due to the benefits it would have in encouraging the provision of incentives to your subscribers. Roughly, enrolling for PLR membership will guarantee you an adequate supply of ebooks. You can enjoy over 4,615 ebooks available at present for members. These ebooks are available at a subsidized cost as compared to what you would have paid when buying somewhere else. The information gained through the ebooks relevant to your niche is useful in transforming your communication with subscribers. Relevant and high-quality videos. PLR membership guarantees you access to over 877 video packages. Some packages have over 50 videos in them. A great percentage of these videos are developed and supplied by marketing professionals. Be assured, you will acquire important information that will transform your business. Other benefits of a PLR membership include access to important software, graphic packs, templates, audio packs, turnkey sites, and PLR articles. You could share some of the articles with your subscribers and see how quickly they are enticed into making their orders the next time you have product offers. A summary of the incentives you can share with your subscribers while on PLR membership includes free email courses, detailed ebooks, important business checklists, webinars, coaching sessions, consultation services, cheat sheets, business templates, toolkits, actionable blueprints, and fascinating business case studies. A PLR membership is appropriate for you if you are starting out and wish to grow your business at a quick rate. Importance of quality content to lists. In building email lists, the interaction with subscribers counts more than the outright size of the list. The size of your list doesn't matter in the business world. One way to engage with subscribers is through the provision of quality content right into their emails. Quality content will ensure that your communication gets through to your subscribers in the best way possible. Furthermore, your subscribers are likely to pass the same information to their friends, family members, or workmates. This triggers new subscriptions, and you grow your email subscriber list without putting much effort and resources on marketing. Quality content transforms the decision of the subscriber into a good experience. Most subscribers have the capacity to transform the good experience into the acquisition of products and services. It is easy to build an email list for your business. All you have to do is listen to the needs of your subscribers and make their experience an exciting one.